What's the meaning of constant? Constant. Constant.
Constant. Constant. The term constant refers to a value that is fixed and does not change over time or within a given context. In mathematics, a constant is a value that is known and unchanging. For example, the constant value of pi symbol is approximately equal to 3.14 and does not change. In computer programming, constants are used to assign values to variables that do not need to be changed during the program's execution. The use of constants helps to ensure that the program runs as expected without unintended changes to the assigned values.